Learning with London Lennox. Money, 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 let's count some money. Big bills, small coins and everything in between. The United States dollar is the US's currency. Together let's count all the money we see. First let's talk about coins, small and big, round coins. A penny is equal to 1 cent and it's worth the least. So to create $1, you need 100 pennies. A nickel equals 5 cents, which is also 5 pennies. How many nickels equal $1? It takes 20. A dime is 10 cents, which is 2 nickels or 10 pennies. 10 dimes equal $1. Shall we count more money? A quarter is 25 cents, which equals 25 pennies. 4 quarters equal $1. We're good at adding money. A half dollar is 50 cents, like 2 quarters or 50 pennies. To equal $1, it only takes 2, not very many. A golden dollar is 100 cents, that's 100 pennies. As the coin form of $1, they equal the same thing. Money, 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 let's count some money. Big bills, small coins and everything in between. The United States dollar is the US's currency. Together let's count all the money we see. Next, let's talk about the dollars. They're rectangular. $1 is the smallest bill you can have. A $1 bill can be the first in your stash of cash. $5 is equal to 5 $1 bills. And 2 $5 bills equals a $10 bill. 2 $10 bills is equal to a $20 bill. And a $50 bill is half of a $100 bill. We use these dollars and cents to pay with. When you need to buy, this is how you pay for it. If there's a number with a dollar sign in front of it, that's the price or the cost of what you want to get. Sometimes an item may only be worth cents. That's when you'll see the cent sign at the end. Dollars and cents, dollars and cents, dollars before the decimal, then cents after it. When you see a price tag, you may have to add to get your dollars and cents to equal what it says. Like 1.24 would be $1.24. A dollar, 2 dimes, and 4 pennies add up to it. If it's 80 cents, you 3 quarters add a nickel for it. And $100 even calls for a crisp $100 bill. Money, 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 let's count some money. Big bills, small coins and everything in between. The United States dollar is the US's currency. Together let's count all the money we see. Bring learning with London and Lennox into your home with fun learning tools that match this video. Visit www.healworldschool.com so you can enjoy your very own. Visit us at www.healworldschool.com